Hi guys, welcome back to H&M Tech Tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will learn how to create a chat link for any WhatsApp. So what you can do, simply open your notepad. As you can see, I open notepad over here. So you can type a protocol which you are going to generate a chat link. So you can type HTTPS semicolon, and you can type dashes over here like this. So once you will type dashes, what you can do, you can type a wa.me. So you can put again a slash and remove spaces between wa dot and me. So once you will done, at the end what you can do, you can type any of the content which you want to generate a type link. So you write it down with the country code. As you know, I'm just generating for +92, so I just write a 92, and you can complete your remaining number over here. So as you know, I have done with this. So what I can do, I just copy the whole link and I just open a WhatsApp and I just put it down in any of my content. So let's see how it works. So I just paste over here in box. So as you can simply, it will redirect me to the my chat, because I just put my own number. So it will just redirect me to my own chat. So I will give you another method. What you can do, open a Google Chrome. So what you can do, you can simply write it down like create a WhatsApp link. So you can open a first link like chat.w.link. So once you will get open this website, you can see here you can create a chat link. All you need to do, scroll down and you can see a different option showing here. As I'm just generating for +92, so you can complete a number over here, the number which you want to generate, and you can enter any message over here. Like I just want to enter a hi. So in this way, if you want to send message to any number like hi, it will create a custom link. As you can see, the link is just created. So I'm just going to copy this link. You can download QR code as well. As you can see, QR code is just downloaded. So you can share QR code if someone want to sketch a QR code, and it will redirect you to the chat. So I just open a chat and paste a link over here. So as you can see, it will just redirect me to my original chat, and the messages, customized message